Okurugira hari engineer Dr. Badru Kigundu, omutwari wa engineer Silver Mugisha, ekitongore kya National Water kikozere ebintu bingi byentunguka okuyomwa gw'2013 obu ahindurwa managing director w'ekitongore ky'amaizi eki.
Specifically, the number of towns under National Water and Sewage Corporation jurisdiction have increased, as I said, from 23 to 268, and are expected to increase to 350 by 2028. Number of people served by the piped water have increased from 4.5 million to 18 million and are projected to increase to 28 million by 2028.
Yayongeragira ngo abo emikoro mingi munonga ya Silver Mugisha na timu nicho akachiko akarukura ekitongore National Sewage Corporation okumwongera encuro y'endijo okuguma arukura ekitongore eki.
Because of the above notable increases and notable performance increases by the managing director and his management, the board of directors of National Water and Sewage Corporation, in acting in full compliance with Section 16 of the National Water and Sewage Corporation Act, has reappointed Engineer Dr. Silver Mugisha as the Managing Director of National Water and Sewage Corporation for the period 2023 to 2028.
Ombarwa abantu abatungire ensheke z'amaizi za National Sewage Corporation ayongiirwe kuruga ahari miliyoni 4.5 gwa za miliyoni 18 kandi nikiteberezwa kuiza kweyongera omu mwaka gwa 2028 bakaza hari miliyoni 28 z'abantu abarabe nibejunusha amaizi aga National Sewage Corporation.
Number of people served by the piped water have increased from 4.5 million to 18 million and are projected to increase to 28 million by 2028.
Kandi hona kishangirwe ngu omubutware bwa Silver Mugisha ekitongore kya National Water and Sewage Corporation ebyo bwiga bw'ekitongore eki burugira ari biliyoni 650 bwaza hari biliyoni 10 kandi ariyo n'ekiteekateko kwiza kweyongera bukaza ahari biliyoni 6 omwaka 2028.
Annual turnover has increased from Uganda shillings 155 billion to Uganda shillings 519 billion and is projected to increase to Uganda shillings 700 billion by 2028.
Okurugira hari engineer Silver Mugisha okumwongera encuro okwebembera ekitongore eki obu kwegamira okukora jekwe kwamwereka obwesije bwingi obuba mwinemu.
Njagala kwebaza board yafe ngekulemberwa chairman wafe engineer Badru Kigundu ne board olw'okutunuulira mu nkora yaffe nze nga managing director ne management yaffe ne baraba bye tukoze bulungi mu myaka 10 gye tumaze mu buyinza ne baraba nti waliwo bingi ebikoreddwa ne ba considering ekyo ne ba renewing a contract yange nga managing director. Contract eno ebadde gwawo omwaka guno naye bajongeddeyo emyaka 5 emirala ejja kugwa mu 2028. Ekyo njagala kukibeebalisa.
Gasha kwa Damba Tadeo.